So I'm not even gonna start this video off how I normally start all of my videos because I am trying so incredibly hard right now to keep myself calm and cool and collected. That way you guys can understand what I'm saying. So I'm literally so excited to show you guys what I have right here. So it is late at night. I went out onto the kitchen table to see what I had gotten in the mailbox today, and in my mail pile was this box right here. This is the Hunt a Killer subscription box. Basically, this subscription box allows you to play the detective in a murder mystery. So inside of this box contains clues and all of the information to a mystery murder. Now, when I first signed up, I was really interested because I was like, wow, are these like, I thought everything inside of this box was like true crime, but everything written inside of here has been like written, it's not true. So as somebody, I really enjoy like forensic files. I enjoy like the actual like real life science behind this stuff. I was really excited because I thought it was gonna be like true crime that had already been solved, and I find that stuff really interesting. But I guess this way it's a lot more respectful to those who have been, you know, harmed in such a manner, and those who have lost members of their family or friends to homicide. So I get that like it's way more tasteful at least to have these written out crimes, but however, I'm still incredibly excited. So I'm going to cover up my mailing address, but here is the front of the box. And then on the back of the box, it says the phone number and all of the information for Hunt a Killer. This is $30 a month, which is expensive, I feel like, but I have no idea the value of everything inside again. I've never tried anything with them before. So I'm really excited to play detective and see where this takes me. I'm really excited. The way I'm viewing it is I don't want to do it by myself because I feel like that's gonna be boring for me. I would love to do it with like my family and have like a family bonding experience. So I'm gonna say I have already gone in and I've opened up the 2 envelopes that came inside of here because I didn't want to take that time and do that on camera. But I didn't go ahead, I didn't peek, but I did just open these 2 envelopes. So here, when I first opened up the box, is what everything on the inside of the box looked like. So I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm just gonna take everything out and we're just gonna go through and we're gonna read. There's gonna be a lot of reading tonight, so if you guys are interested, buckle down, stay with me, get a snack, get some water, because there's gonna be a lot of reading and I'm really excited to get into this box and see what it has to offer us. So the first thing that I'm pulling out is this little card right here. It says, Hunt a Killer, share your experience and tag us for a chance to win your next month free. On the front it says, welcome to Initiation, episode 1. This month your package contains 8 items. Verify your episode contents at huntakiller.com/inventory. Your password for this episode, and then it gives me my password, and then it has like 8 different, like it has like 8 spots for me to write on the card. So I'm curious. That means I have 8 little things in here. Then I have another little sheet right here, and this says Hunt a Killer. We are introducing digital episode recaps to replace the end of season recap. This new tool will give you better guidance sooner in your journey and also features a spoiler-free format. Check them out at huntakiller.com/recaps. So here's my concern going into this is I'm worried that like it's gonna be like episode 1 and like so I'm gonna be getting like 10 months worth of boxes and I don't have like the mystery solved. Like what I'm hoping to happen is like episode 1 is a different mystery. Episode 2 is a different mystery. Like I hope that I get different mysteries in every box and it's not just like one giant drawn out kind of thing. That's what I'm hoping to happen. Hopefully that question is answered in this box. I don't know. The next thing I'm pulling out is this little notebook and pen. So this just looks like cardboard, and then it has the Hunt a Killer logo, and then I have this cardboard pen, and then here's all the paper and everything. So let's see what color ink this pen is. I'm just gonna write my name. It's black ink. So that's fun. Okay, so we have a little notebook with a pen. That's super detective-y, right? So here I have the Hunt a Killer book. There's some information in here that I really think that we should read. So it says, Hunt a Killer, start here. Congrats, you are now an official hunter. Now that you have received your first box, it is up to you to unravel the mystery. Here are some helpful hints to start you on your journey. This mystery is episodic. Think of each box as a new episode, with each episode building on the previous one. Okay, so I guess that definitely answers my question. Like, they're all connected somehow, but it's not the same mystery over and over again. Like, I'm glad that they've done that. However, I hope that, like, at the end of each episode, I at least have some closure. This means that there will not be a mystery ending solution with each episode. Wow, it's like I'm reading. Like, maybe I should stop asking questions and just start reading. This means that there will not be a mystery ending solution with each episode, but each box should provide more context and allow you to make connection to clues in the previous boxes. I don't really like that idea at all. I'm going to keep reading and then I'm going to share my opinion. All packages lead to a big reveal in the storyline finale. Okay, first of all, I don't like that idea because, like, I don't know, I just don't like that idea. Like, I want each box to be a closure because I feel like there might be one, like, I don't know. I just don't like that idea. I feel like each month, each box, like, I'm fine if they're all connected somehow, but I feel like each box should be like, okay, here's a mystery. Like, here's another mystery. And like, oh yeah, it's funny, like, Dan was friends with Bob and like Richard, both who were killed in episode 1 and episode 2. But I don't feel like they should all be like, oh, well, you definitely need to get month 2 in order to figure out what happened in month 3. Because what happens if you can't afford it for a month and then you have to skip it or something like that? I don't know. I don't really like that idea. And then I also want to know, how many boxes do you have to get to reach the story finale? Like, I also don't really... I'm not liking the way it's set up so far from what I'm reading, but I don't know, because... like, I wish, like, I could just sit down and solve that and then have that finished for the month and then be able to move on to another project. I wish that was the way that it was built, but it is not my project, but that is my opinion on it. The second page says, the team behind the mystery. We'd like to take this opportunity to thank you for signing up and joining our community. There's a lot to go through in the story. You are engaging with a new friend through a volunteer organization, but things are not as simple as they appear to be. We want to invite you to open your mind to whatever opportunities arise and use your imagination to dive deep into the world of Hunt a Killer. Then on this page, it says, use real-world research. Look for ciphers, take lots of notes. Decipher codes and puzzle. Pay attention to every detail. Look for connections. Oh, you guys probably want to, like, see the pictures and everything, so this is what the pictures look like. On the next page, it says, the community. Hunt a Killer has a large social media community that is eager to help. Ask a veteran hunter for advice or collaborate on an episode with other hunters who are working on the same box as you. Join the Hunt a Killer forum and Facebook group for tips and resources. So, okay. So that's what it looks like. So is this not really a subscription box where, like, you get something new every month? This is really like, okay, it's a subscription box. You pay $30, but there's only 10 installments. That's what I'm feeling like this is where it's going. And then it says premium murder cases. Now that you are a hunter, you are officially an exclusive member of one of the fastest growing subscription box companies. You will now have access to special promotions, new releases, and premium experiences. huntakiller.com/members. 1968. Dive deep inside a secretive and dangerously eerie 1960s cult who'd murdered Beatrice Walker. 1973.